Today, we're diving deep into a topic that many of us ponder throughout our lives: finding our purpose. It's a journey filled with self-discovery and personal growth, and in this video, we're going to walk you through some detailed steps on how to uncover your true purpose in life. Welcome back to the Community Project, where we explore topics related to mental health and general well-being. Today's video is part of our series, A Piece of the Puzzle, where we expand on what we've learned in the Community Journal. Let's begin our journey. Step 1. Self-reflection. To kick things off, you need to set aside some dedicated time for self-reflection. Find a quiet space, grab your journal, and let's get started. Reflect on your life experiences, your values, and your beliefs. What activities or moments have brought you the most joy, fulfillment, or a sense of meaning? Journal your thoughts and feelings, and don't be afraid to dive deep. Step 2. Identify your passions. Passion often holds the key to your purpose. Pay attention to your interests and hobbies. What activities make you feel truly alive? Explore new hobbies and experiences to uncover new passions. Sometimes, trying something completely out of your comfort zone can lead to surprising discoveries. Step 3. Set goals. Goals give us direction. Make your goals SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Visualize them. Create a vision board if it helps. Step 4. Explore new experiences. Challenge yourself regularly. New experiences often lead to personal growth and a better understanding of yourself. Step 5. Seek inspiration from others. Learn from those who have found their purpose. Read biographies, attend talks, and get inspired by their journeys. Step 6. Clarify your values. Your values are your compass. Prioritize them and ensure your life choices align with what matters most to you. Step 7. Consider your strengths. Recognize your unique strengths and talents. How can you leverage them to contribute more to the world? Step 8. Help others. Sometimes, purpose is found in serving others. Volunteering or supporting those in need can be a powerful way to discover your purpose and make a positive impact. Step 9. Learn from setbacks. Embrace failure as a learning experience. It can provide valuable insights into what truly matters to you. Step 10. Seek guidance. Don't hesitate to seek help. Talk to friends, mentors, or a therapist. Their insights can be invaluable. Step 11. Experiment and iterate. Your purpose may evolve over time. Be open to change and adapt as you learn more about yourself and your aspirations. Step 12. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness meditation can help you become more attuned to your inner thoughts and feelings, aiding in the process of self-discovery. So, there you have it, a detailed guide to finding your purpose in life. Remember, it's a personal journey that takes time, patience, and self-compassion. Embrace the process, and don't be afraid to explore different avenues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep seeking, keep exploring, keep living with purpose, and remember, you're not alone.